Hello everyone and welcome to this video. It's about time I do something about these two 9210s of mine. Well, you remember I made a battery for it, and yeah, and I think I'm going to do this one. I don't remember if the display works on this one or not, the small display that is. If it doesn't, I'll just take it from the other one, you know, make one fully functional, or just I also have a new display here, so shouldn't be a problem. Don't know if the battery is still charged or not. And there's only one way to find out now, isn't it? Okay, it made a beep. Yeah, pretty cool. So let's begin. Well, this one is missing one of the legs, but I will take them out. I don't have a complete full body shell for it, but I will use what I have. There we go. Oh, they just got sticked here. That's the speaker. Let's see what we can take out of this. Is this a battery? Don't know. Yeah, this is definitely a battery. This is all the connectors. And there should be the microphone, right? Yeah, that's the microphone. Just have to take it out of its rubber casing. Nothing much left in this body shell. Let's move our attention to this guy. And that's how you take this out. Oh! So it knows when you take the battery out. Nice. Oh, this thing just comes out, eh? Here we have this thing. Oh, this is the loudspeaker. I can just stick this back, but man, look how huge the loudspeaker is. Ah, this can just stay pressed as it is. Yeah, and it's non-removable, eh? Yeah. Oh, this is heavy. And here's the connector for the display. Well, for the top part with the display. Here's another Samsung processor. You can see it. But it's pretty awesome. Oh, this is also removable. Taking everything out to clean it. Ooh, cool. I think this is made of aluminium. A very solid frame. Now this thing moves more freely. There we go. Just have to take this cable out. Well, actually, let me rephrase that. I have to carefully take this cable out. This part is to keep it in very good condition, only need to be cleaned. Here are the buttons, which are removable. Nice. That was the bottom part. And this is the mechanism? Yeah. These two front screws are the same as the 6 ones behind it. So from the hinge here you need to press it. Okay, it's moving. Here we have the front frame. The buttons, which are in very good condition, not to be thrown away. This thing here, it's made of metal, I think, or a very hard plastic. This is to protect the flex cable. Nice. Now time to take this whole cable assembly out. Here. And that's it. Here are the two LEDs that light up the display. This whole thing comes off. The whole display unit, it's glued there. So, okay, then I need to put the glue back because I'm not changing those. This needs to go back here. Well, let's finish with the frame. Oh, this is just made of a soft rubber, and here it has a magnet, well, a magnet that's snapped in two, but it should still do the job. Yeah. Here is the antenna, and to take it out we should just pull this up, right? At least that's what I'm thinking. And this comes out just like so. Yeah, and they come off. Technically, if you buy this part new, it comes with the buttons pre-installed, but so I don't have one, I'm taking them out. Here is the little tongue that holds it closed in place. Okay, that's enough for this part. So to take the display out, I just need to bend these little metal parts, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Also these two. Oh, it's a bit heavy, not too heavy. Oh, and the display comes out just like this. Yeah, there you have it. This is the second board. Ooh, an Epson processor. Nice. I'm gonna take this out of the metal casing so I can properly clean it, and that would be it of the display. Up next, this big one, big boy display. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, look at this nice mirror. So this is the backlight. I should take it. Oh, look at this, you can see through it. Nice. Oh, this is where it's held in place by this thing. But I'll be honest with you, no. And oh, no. I'm putting it back together. Because if dust particles or dirt or anything else falls in here, I'm gonna see it through the display, and that will be annoying. So yeah, I thought this whole thing was a unit, not in pieces. You know, like more modern displays. There we go. I'll put everything back and get done with it. Back in place. So that's it with this phone. I'll get to clean everything and be right back with it. Well, I've cleaned it and time to put everything back together. I've also glued the magnet in the... I want to ask. And I'm actually surprised of how powerful a glue is compared to this little magnet. Alrighty then. Let me just put this here. Where are all the small parts? Since I got you first, I'll put you first. Yeah, that's right. Click and place nicely. Here it is. Okay, good. Okay, now it's supposed to be bent back. You don't need too much of a special tool here, you can push it with your fingers, like this. Here I need this special tool. And I have to be extra careful not to break any bug. Okay. Okay. Can even connect it in place now. Good. And now I can push these things down. Now I need this to push it with. Alright. Oh, this is how it's supposed to go in, like so. So it needs to be mounted first. Yeah, forgot about it. Sorry about that. Since I took it out, let me put this correctly now. This is the first phone that I disassemble, this model, and it's not given that much of a hard time, but you know, first time. We'll connect this thing here. Okay. Here we have the new body shell and the new buttons. Oh, it feels so good to be new. But also let's not forget this little clamp here that holds it closed, you know. Let me just adjust it a little. Honestly, I should have put this thing first, but I forgot. One day I'm going to forget even how to breathe. Okay, and then to put this back. How in the actual... Come on, you. To put this back. I also have some new stickers like this one, but this one is also new. It was sticked here, so I'm gonna keep it. This thing, good. There we go, finally. This cable needs to be pushed inside the hinge cover, and of course the mechanism had to come off. Get back in here, you. Good. The music sound this thing makes. Also clicked in place. Yep, good. Nice. Need to start putting everything back together as they were. Nothing much to clean in this phone. Apparently it was very well preserved. Did not expect that. But I'm happy it was like that. Wait. Yeah, okay. Just pulling it like so and trying to press the connector. I'm sure there must be an easier way to do this, but since I'm all caught up in it, and you can check it right here, it's in place. Let's press. This needs to go through here and right here. Okay. Now I need to put this here in place. Goes in place here, and this little speaker or earpiece or whatever it is will go here. Good enough. Oh, this thing has a new microphone, new connector, so alright then. Nice. All it needs is the button, the release button, which needs to be mounted here. Right? Right. And the internal battery has these two pins. Just put them in this thing here. See this? You can kind of guess already by this form that the battery goes in here, in this little slot. There you have it. Well, let's hope for the best. I'm gonna so have to put this little metal part here. Awesome. Put in these little guys. Okay, so this longer leg goes in here and this shorter one goes on the top side where the antenna is. There we go. Now it's perfectly leveled. Time to put its original memory card in. And the new little door. Nice. Something like this, eh? Nice. And my made up battery. Well, a bip was made, and it's a starting. Let's also start the phone part. So it has the battery I made has a few connecting problems, so I have to hold it like this. And this dead again. Yeah, so that's it for this phone. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Now it looks like new. The parts I found it are original, the back and the front with the buttons. So what are your thoughts about this phone? In my opinion, it's a very awesome one. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Please consider subscribing. It's really motivating. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. All the best. Bye bye.